Hello everyone. As you know that we all are going through exercise 2.3 of growth and depreciation, and this is compound interest chapter by Amil Agrawal book for standard 9. So let's see what we are going to do. Today we will solve question number 6. Again this is based on growth. Let's see what is given. A farmer increases his output of wheat in his farm every year by 8%. His production every year increases by 8%, that is the growth rate. This year he produced 2187 quintals of wheat. This is this year production. What was the yearly produce of wheat 2 years ago? So we have to find out 2 years ago what was the production of wheat by his field. So let's see how we'll solve the sum. Because we have to find out previous year's amount, so that must be V0, which plays the role like principal, initial data, initial money or initial production. So V0 is equals to, let V0 is equals to what? Farmers yearly production of wheat two years ago, that we need to find out. And V is farmers present production, present year production of wheat, which is given 2187 quintals. And rate of growth, timing is 2 years, because time and again we have written 2 years, so 2 years is the timing. Rate of growth is equals to, we will denote it by R, that is 8%. So we will use the formula of growth. V is equals to V0 within bracket 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. V0 value of 2187. This year production is given, previous year 2 years ago production we need to find out. So this will be 8 by 100 into 2187 equals to V0. This is we may reduce it. 4 2s are 8, 25 4s are 100, so we'll take LCM 25, and here is 25 plus 2, so 2187 equals to V0 into 27 divided by 25 into 25. Now we will transfer all the number here. So it is 2187 into 25 divided by 27 into 27 is equals to V0. So 27 will reduce it at 81 times, and 27 3s are 81. So 25 into 25 into 3, that will be equals to 1875 quintals. So farmers production of wheat by his field 2 years ago will be 1875, right, capital Q, quintals. That's all, children. Thank you.